Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a responsive frame and setting structure. First, pick a device or custom canvas size so you have a concrete breakpoint. Once created, add a 12-column layout grid with gutters to guide spacing. This makes alignment predictable as the layout scales. Then immediately set constraints on your header, content blocks, and buttons. Pin left/right or center as needed, so elements react to resizing. This gives you a controllable baseline before adding components and auto layout. Now you'll convert components and groups into auto layout frames so elements flow naturally. Use horizontal auto layout for nav bars and vertical for stacked content. Set padding and spacing values to keep rhythm. Decide when children are fixed, fill container, or hug contents. This determines how they compress or expand. Once done, nest auto layout frames and apply constraints to those parents. This combination lets complex sections reflow across widths while preserving alignment and spacing. You'll finish by testing and creating variants for real breakpoints. Drag the frame to simulate different widths and watch how auto layout and constraints respond. Make responsive variants for tablet and mobile states using components. Adjust component properties to swap layouts or hide elements at narrower widths. If things go wrong, inspect constraints and look for elements with fixed widths or absolute positioning causing overflow. Change them to fill or hug and retest. Make sure to iterate until transitions are smooth and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.